Welcome to our channel. In this session, we are going to discuss about image tag in HTML. The purpose of this image tag is simply to improve the appearance of a web page. Here in a web page, we can insert the images by using the tag img, and this is a non-pair tag. Non-pair tag in the sense closing is not at all required. What are the attributes under this image tag? Align means we can place the image at any position, either top of the web page or bottom, middle, left, right. Simply alignment of the image. And ALT, this is the most important thing. ALT in the sense, suppose if your image is not available, that means if it is unable to load, at that situation, some alternate text is displayed. For each and every image, I am given some alternate message. If the image is unable to open, that text is displayed. Border. Border specifies the border of the image, that is how much width of the border around the image, the height of the image, the width of the image. vspace specifies the white space that need to be allocated on the top and bottom of image. V means vertical space. hspace specifies the white space on the left and right side of the image. Now, the most important thing is SRC means source. It specifies the URL of the image. URL means the path where the image is available. So, image SRC is equal to URL. Remember, here the path is in your current directory or any directory or from the net, anything. Simply you need to give the path. If this is unable to load, this message is displayed. Anyway, we will discuss image tag with each and every attribute in detail. First, image, some SRC is equal to, so I have one image in my system. So the image alt is equal to some message image not available. Close this. So image is non-pair tag, no need to close. Save, copy the path, right click, copy the path, open the browser. See, tiger image is opened. Tiger image is opened. Now, for example, this image is not available in my system. Now save and refresh. Observe what happened. If the image is not available, in that situation, alternate message is displayed. The alternate message is displayed. Clear? Now move to the next attribute. Suppose align is equal to some right. Align is equal to some right. The position of the image. Previously, the image at the left. Now, the position of the image is at the right. What are the next one? Border. So, observe previously there is no border for the image. For example, I given a border of 5 pixel. So, simply observe, a border is created for the image. A border is created for the image. Now, width is equal to some 100 pixel. Similarly, height is equal to some 100 pixel. Width of the image and height of the image. Now, I changed my alignment to left just for understanding purpose. So, left. Now, observe the width of the image and the height of the images are changed. Now, what are the remaining two? Vertical space. V space is equal to some, not only 100, you can give any number. So it gives the space at the top and bottom of the image. See, the top and bottom of the image. Now, H space is equal to suppose some 50 pixel. Now, see, it gives the space and the horizontal. The space at the horizontal. Clear? This is the image tag. These are the different attributes that are available under this image tag. Remember, this image is, suppose if you are using anchor tag. In the anchor tag, that is the linking purpose. So, image is used as a link. Suppose you are using frames, iframe. Within the iframe, we are placing images. So, whatever the web page you are created, this image plays a very, very crucial role. And SRC is the most important attribute for the image tag. Okay. This is the end of image tag. Thank you.